Hey Siri, does methi have protein in it?
The next day, it starts falling a bit. The 1 lakh profit is now down at 40,000.
Don't do unto me as I do unto you. The day has just started. It's Monday and just finished a walk. So I'm pretty happy that it started right. And the reason it started right is because last evening ended right. I was in bed by 10 o'clock and then slept off by 11 or something, right? So got a good 7-8 hours of sleep. And that's what basically ensures that the day is gonna be powerful. It started right, got some cardio done. Now we're gonna get to work. Stock market's open, it's slightly higher, 0.5%. HBL Engineering is a stock that's moving just fine. For now, I've kept my stop loss at my purchase value. So in the worst case scenario, I should be getting out with no profits. Now, if you wish to know why that was even purchased, the answer lies in the weekly charts. If you see the weekly charts, you're gonna see a very proper entry. Post this, the goal for the day is to lift. So I'm gonna be doing a chest and tricep workout. I wanna also read. I wanna, of course, get this YouTube video and yesterday's video out. So that's gonna be like a pretty cool thing done. What else do I wanna do? I wanna pray. And once I do all of these activities, I think that's a day nicely spent. So I'm gonna do my Monday in this manner with some high priority tasks. And then, yeah, I hope you're enjoying life through this lens. So these guys are having tea and methi de parathe, and we were just discussing there's a beautiful Fairmont hotel in Prague. It's worthy of experiencing, apparently. Never been, but would like to go. Would like to take parents along. That would be of utmost importance. I'm having methi da paratha right here, and Jasmine Kaur says it's very high in protein. I thought doubt it. Hey Siri, does methi have protein in it?
I think it's like sabudana.
Do you want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
Yes. इसमें मिट्टी लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, meaty is a high-protein snack made from New Zealand grass-fed young beef and honey. Each serving contains over 10 grams of high-quality protein, making it an excellent source of protein for your diet.
Hey Siri.
That was...
Hey Siri, do fenugreek leaves have high protein in it?
Okay, I found this on the web for... Does Hey Siri do fenugreek leaves have high protein in it?
Bro, how stupid, yeah. ChatGPT. Does methi... Chat को पता है मेथी क्या होता है. Does contain protein. Methi seeds contain 23 to 25% protein by weight. Methi leaves contain less protein.
अच्छा मेथी सीड्स में होता है. फिर
Seeds में होता है.
मेथी का पता था मुझे.
Bro, insane. Seeds में होता है. तो मेथी के बीज कहाँ से आते हैं? So anyway, been looking at stocks, but my yesterday's video about how to screen and scan, just check it out, and with that you will understand how interesting, of course, this one is looking, right? Let's check this out in a moment. So these are exactly the sort of tight closes that should show up on the weekly charts, and this is looking very constructive, right? On the daily, perhaps you can draw this trend line, right? Pretty good trend line. We have this massive drop off in volume as well. So things are setting up very nice. Naturally, the stock can go absolutely anywhere. From here, three things can happen. It can break out and fail. It can simply start dropping. It can break out and go nowhere. And it can break out and keep going up. So let's just note for these circumstances down and then see what we're going to do. So pretty much these things can happen. If it doesn't break out and it drops, then of course it's no trade. Your trade is not even initiated. But if it breaks out and goes sideways, then of course you've got to hold the stock until your SLs are triggered. If it breaks out and fails, then again you've got to manage your risk, and with the low of the breakout day, you'll have to trigger your SL. And if it breaks out and goes up, then you'll have to trail it with the 5 and 10 moving average. So pretty much have a plan for every single circumstance. Yes, what happens if you have a gap down? Because that can also happen, right? What if you just simply gap down? You can't do anything here. You'll simply have to sell. Anything can happen with the stocks, but just be ready. So Minervini says, try and visualize in the morning. What's going to happen with my stock? Say I've bought it, right? Invested 10 lakh rupees. Now it's up 10%. I'm making 1 lakh rupees in one day. And now how am I feeling? Am I so trigger friendly because it's 1 lakh rupees in a day? Or am I like, let me follow the rules? The next day, it starts falling a bit. The 1 lakh profit is now down at 40,000. How am I feeling?
Am I all over the place that I lost 60,000? I could have booked 1 lakh. Why didn't I do it? Why was I so stupid? Nope. Gotta follow the rules. So gotta make yourself rule focused, process focused, and mostly just stoic in nature. A loss, no problem. Let's learn from it. A profit, no problem. Let's try and repeat it. That's basically how we're gonna go. And now I'll go hit the gym.
We're back in the car, going to the gym. Where we live, it's getting so congested, man. It's like insane. Like the tiniest streets of GK1, for example. Everything's parked on the streets and not a very pleasant experience. But yeah, chest and triceps today for the workout. And then I want to head out with mom. So let's see if that ends up getting executed.
अकाउंट खुलवाना था तो आपने मुझे कहा था कि पिछले हफ्ते थर्सडे तक खुल जाएगा. Yes.
Okay, let's also see if this gym is open. It's very close to home, so we might actually join. पूछिया अगर खुला है. Boss, gym खुल गया?
The gym is about to open like within 40 to 45 days, sir.
45 दिन?
Yes, sir. The expected date, sir. Max to max हम इतना बता सकते हैं.
ये अब कैसे ये क्यों लगाया
The
फिर?
pre-sales is going like, sir. Like the first 100 members हैं हमारे.
हाँ.
तो first 100 members के लिए सर हम लोगों ने रखा है 20,000 per year.
Per year.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And apart from that, sir, आपको जो benefits मिलेंगे, exclusive benefits वो only annual members के लिए रहते हैं.
तो जिम टूर कब दोगे?
सर जिम टूर भी जल्दी करवा देंगे सर. बस हमारा मैट एंड इक्विपमेंट्स आना रह गया. बाकी ऑलरेडी सारा काम.
बिकॉज उसके बिना पेमेंट कैसे करेंगे ना?
सर उसके बाद ही हम आपको एक बारी विजिट करवा पाएंगे. जैसे एक बारी मैट्स और इक्विपमेंट सारा आ जाएगा. एक जिम टूर भी आपको उसके लिए हम
45 days.
हाँ, मैक्स टू मैक्स 45.
Okay. Thank you.
you so much.
I'll see you then. It's 20K for a year and it'll open in 45 days. Have a long time to go. And I'm like gym tour when like once the equipment comes. So how are you taking registrations without having a bloody gym, man? Actually don't mind 2 memberships, one at the gym where I work out currently and one this one. I'll just take both. Sometimes you need a change, man. Sometimes you don't have one equipment at one gym and one at the other. And also this one, if I join this one, this 20K per year, which is the opening offer, I also don't have to deal with 2 intersections, which can be very crowded in the evening. That'll save me about 15 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah, that's about it. Reading, lifting, cardio.
And how much reading? 10 pages.
No, reading. Like, of course, it shouldn't be one page, but like sensibly reading. Lifting, cardio, praying, YouTube, waking early, no alcohol. So these are the set of tasks. How many ever I succeed in?
Alcohol I don't need on my list. Waking up early I can't do on my list.
Yeah.
I can do cardio. I can do weights.
So reading, cardio, lifting.
Yeah.
But you also should do something for content. Honking for no reason. क्या दिक्कत है लाइफ?
मुझे इससे दिक्कत है, तुझसे दिक्कत कोई है?
गुड.
बोल तो तेरे बारे में ही रही है वो.
क्या बोल रही है?
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा तुझे? वो तुझसे तेरे बारे में बोल रही है.
What happened to decency, man? What happened to gentle conversation in the house?
When do you have a gentle conversation with us? You tell us.
Don't do unto me as I do unto you.
That's Newton's third law. Every action has an equal amount.
Do unto me as you would do to a saint.
Saint.
Sag. Sorry. Okay, this was a very nice day spent. Now time for work. Also taking mom out for shopping, which will be the next video. माँ सूट लेना आज? इसका UPI frozen है. I think ये तभी नहीं जा रही. कहीं टिल पे मैं चला गया कहीं तो ये रह जाएगी.
ऐसे इसके साथ चलना तो ऐसे
है ना? ओए मेरे को कॉल आ गई, और मुझे वॉशरूम जाना है. Jasmine has not downloaded Blinkit. No app she's downloaded so that she doesn't have to pay.
Yesterday I paid
For?
your
For
protein
your
bars.
protein bars.
तो मुझे हजम नहीं होंगी यार. फिर मैंने कहा म्यूसली मंगा दे. नहीं, ये चीज़ें घर पे बनाई जाती है. But she got me oat milk, which by the way people are saying shouldn't drink. Almond is better.
I drink oat milk, but almond doesn't suit me.
It doesn't suit you, no?
Not.
So anyway, hope you enjoy this. See you later. Vamos.
तू अगर भौंका तो
Take
थप्पड़
care.
पड़ेगा एक.